My name is Chris Claude. I am a co-owner and integrator with Mechanical Systems Company. We were in pretty strong growth mode for several years. And even through COVID, we grew quite a bit. And then post-COVID, we had a little bit of a setback. And my business partner and I were challenged with some of the leadership of the company, what we should do and how we should plan and our process for growth and planning. And so we both were introduced to EOS in different ways and thought it would be the best way to help professionalize our company and take it to the next level. Sophia has been awesome to deal with. She has been open and challenging and a very good person to help us become who we are today. We're only about a year in so far, but we are a completely different company with the help of Sophia. She has helped us with handling a lot of challenging decisions, a lot of challenging people decisions, and made us look at our true value and what do we want to offer not only today, but tomorrow, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and who do we help lead us through that process. And she has been awesome with that. She's always a great resource. And if she doesn't know or is not an expert at something, she'll always refer us to somebody else that can help. So highly recommend Sophia and highly recommend EOS if you are a small to mid-sized company, and she can help you quite a bit.